Okay, platypuses, today in phonics you are going to be adding the ing suffix, okay? It's really important that you keep practicing the spelling rules so that when it comes to your independent writing, you are able to apply these rules to your writing. Okay, so there are a number of activities I'm just going to quickly go through and then you can get on with your work. So you've got a spelling zone activity here, okay? It tells you the rules on the page, okay, to remind you, and then you've got an activity to do here. Look at these bits here where it tells you about the tips. You might have some tips, okay, because remember that sometimes the rule doesn't apply to certain words or letters, okay, and here the tip is never double the letters W or X, okay, and then you've got another activity at the bottom, and then again you've got a word changer activity. And the next one, again, it tells you the rule, and down here you've got another tip. So remember, you must read the tip because these tips are very important. And then you've got another word changer activity. And then just to recap, here are the rules in case you want to go back. Okay, so there you go. I'm not going to do any more talking. You can get on with your practicing of the spelling rules, okay?